The financial market has been dogged by bad news this year, but a new report from International Financial Services London says the capital will endure the downturn better than other markets. We sat down with Marko Mazlokovic, a senior economist at IFL, to talk about what the report says.
This report talks about, as I mentioned, the UK and global financial services industry. London, as a leading global financial services centre, has been deeply affected by the current credit crisis. There has been a marked downturn in trading in several sectors, including securitization, hedge funds, and investment banking. And, for example, the report shows that on a global level, investment banking fee revenue fell 25% in the first 9 months of this year as compared to the same period last year, to some $46 billion. But despite this, trading in London has continued uninterrupted, and this is mostly due to the structural factors which underpin London's position as a leading centre for financial services.
But what features of the London market will help it survive the credit crisis?
And these factors, for example, include the quality of professional and supporting services, the infrastructure, the favorable tax environment, the English language, the time zone. So basically it's a combination of all these factors which is supporting London's position as a global financial services centre.
I also asked Mazlokovic if he thought London would retain its place as one of the world's leading financial centres.
I think so. London, along with New York, is one of the top 2 leading centres for financial services. Although New York may be larger in terms of overall business, a bigger proportion of its business comes from its domestic market, which is larger as compared to the UK's domestic market. But a bigger proportion of London's business comes from the international market. So London is probably the leading global centre for international or cross-border financial services. And just to illustrate this, it has, for example, a leading share of trading in foreign exchange and OTC derivatives, more than a third of the global total. It has more than a fifth of international bank lending. It's a leading centre for marine insurance and for international bond trading. There's over 250 foreign banks located in London, which is more than any other centre. There's more than 700 foreign companies that are listed on the London Stock Exchange. So basically, London's uniqueness stems from the sort of international role that it plays in the global financial services industry.
This is Justin Thompson, reporting for Global Custodian in London.